Okay, a few months ago, I bought this 9-inch clamp because it was a amazing deal, and holy moly, is this thing powerful! And it's huge. Look at that. And I was on the eBay, and I ended up finding a couple little. That's a 9. This was a 3. I found a little 2, and then somebody had box of 10 of these little tiny 1-inch clamps, and holy moly, are these things powerful. If you want the strongest clamp out there for the size, these are the little Saxton Kant twist clamps. And Kant is the wrong word, because 100% totally amazing. I really wanted them for, I've been doing a lot of sheet metal work, holding things together. And normally what I have are these little, plastic doohickeys. But this thing will just crush absolutely anything you put in the jaws. What a good score. And they're so cute.